Forward, Megatron! Autobots approaching!
Prime! Megatron! Decepticons, attack!
That fat lizard just squashed Ravage down into scrap!
Forget Prime! Kill the iguana! I'm just gonna stand over here for now. We'll kill you too! Huh? Alright, now I'm cheesed!
Oh, I'm finna gonna mess you up now.